welcome to the video. Today we have the rim brake Cannondale SuperSix Evo. Wow, this I think is the best road bike I've ever ridden. The carbon rims, the Dura-ace, it is light as a feather and it is stiff, super stiff. When you pedal on it, nothing flexes, it just goes, and it's so light. Let me know if you know of any bike lighter than this. They don't make a bike this light anymore. But tell me if you can think of a different one. If you have the opportunity to ride this sort of bike from someone you know, please take it. When you switch from a mountain bike to a road bike, it's a world of difference. When you switch from a road bike to this particular bike, it's the same feeling. Wow. Reporting to you live from Western Massachusetts. Thank you, Mr. H, for letting me borrow this.
That bike mogs. It's a mogger. Not just because it's black on black on black, murdered out, but because of what it is. Rim brakes, some external cables, no proprietary seat post, no integrated cockpit, just stiff, hard, light, raw, awesome performance. Plus, compared to the new bikes, it's way less cash to service, and it's easier to service, and you can buy it used for a fraction of the price of new bikes. This bike is going to get you addicted to cycling. You spin, you pedal, you push up the hill, and you're going to fly like a kite. You will love it. And because you're going to like it so much, you're going to want to show your friends the power of a road bike. And what better bike to introduce to them than this bike that is easy and cheap to adjust to fit your friend, and you won't be saying, I had to take it to the shop for this and that, it was so expensive. It's going to make the sport feel more welcoming to other people. So, check out the rim brake SuperSix Evo, especially the one with the 27.2 millimeter seat post. Like this video if you agree that this is a peak road bike or the peak road bike. Comment below which bike is your favorite. Do you know of any bikes that are as stiff and light as this bike? What have your experiences been with the SuperSix? Tuesday, the next video is about Zwifting. Good night or good morning.